by now, almost every business knows how to send WhatsApp broadcast, but only some know how to send WhatsApp broadcast like a pro. Yes, if you use WhatsApp broadcast like a pro, you can easily convert all your leads into your paying clients. What is this? Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you some tricks and hacks using which you can be pro in sending WhatsApp broadcast. So the first important trick over here is when we send bulk WhatsApp messages, the key thing which we miss is the personalized messages. We send a same message to hundreds or thousands of customers or leads together. But the main point is, if customer or lead is going to receive the name, their own particular name in the WhatsApp message, they will think this is a personalized message catering only them. That's where they can move on further and purchase your product. Yes, when I'm just going to send bulk WhatsApp messages, I'm just going to make sure that the name of the lead or my customer is mentioned in that WhatsApp message. How is this possible? This is possible using Pabbly Chatflow. Apart from that, you can also add buttons to take your leads or customers towards your website to increase sales. So let's see how we can create this amazing automation, or let's see how we can be pro in sending WhatsApp broadcast. To do this, you just have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free to explore Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow and you can send 100 WhatsApp messages for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But I'll suggest you first try it because we are offering a free trial, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now let's see how we can send bulk WhatsApp broadcast like a pro. So to do this, you just have to come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to log in and open the dashboard. Now you have to make sure that you have added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added till now, just over here you're going to see the button of this add WhatsApp number. Click on this and add your WhatsApp number. If you want a detailed tutorial video on how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, we have attached that in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. This is a very crucial step. Once you add your WhatsApp number, you are good to go. What you have to do from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you come over here, you're going to see all the details of the previous broadcast. If you haven't created any till now, just click on this add broadcast button. Once you click on this add broadcast button, over here you have to select the broadcast type. So I'm just going to choose it as broadcast campaign. You also have to do the same. For the broadcast name, I'm just going to keep it as skincare test. So I'm just going to keep the name as skincare test. So I'm running a skincare brand and I want to send the skincare test message to every customer or new lead. So for that, I've mentioned this as the broadcast name. You can keep it as according to your own choice. For the contact list, over here you have to choose the contact list to whom you want to send this WhatsApp message. So you can select multiple contact lists too, and also a single or two contact lists too. It totally depends upon you. Now you must be wondering how we can create this contact list. For that, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow. And once you're on this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow, first of all, you have to make sure to add the contacts inside your account. For that, click on this add contact button. You can simply add the contact like this. If you want to upload bulk contacts, go on this add bulk contacts button, upload your CSV file and simply add the contacts right over here. After you upload the CSV file, the contacts will be added and you can create the list out of them. To create the list, you have to go on this left hand of the side and create the list directly from here. If you want to learn more about this contact section, the video tutorial dedicated towards this is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. This video is going to focus on the broadcast section, so let's just move towards it. I've selected my contact list right over here to whom I want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. Now it is saying refine audience. So before sending it to multiple, you can just refine some audience. What you can do is you can exclude some contact list right over here. You can exclude some specific contacts according to your own choice right over here. And apart from that, you can exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. So what is going to happen is when you're going to switch on these buttons, the contacts who message you within the last 24 hours, they will be skipped so that they don't receive a redundant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. So you can simply exclude them just by switching on this toggle button. Apart from that, you have to choose this message type. It will be a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you want to choose a regular message, just go on this regular message button and select the regular message type, and then simply enter your regular message. The preview of the message will be shown in the right hand of the site. Apart from that, if you want to send a pre-approved template message, go on this pre-approved template message. Now from the left hand of the site, go on this template and then template list section. The buttons which I was talking about in the starting of this video will be sent using this templates only. What you have to do once you come on this template section, you have to go on this add template. Now once you click on this add template button, you're going to get two options: add a template or generate it with AI. So if you wish to generate it with AI, you can just simply go over here, enter your prompt and generate the template with AI. If you want to add the template yourself, you can go on this add template button. You simply have to select the template category. You have to enter the template name, select the language, variable right over here. Once again, you have to choose the template type, okay, and then header and then template format. Over here, you're going to see the option of this interactive actions where you can add this call to action button. You can simply enter the button title like go to website or purchase products, and you can simply add the website URL right over here. And apart from that, you can also keep it as dynamic or static according to your own choice. This is a very useful feature. Apart from the website URL, you can also add the phone number too right over here. If you want some quick replies, you can go on this quick replies and add a quick reply too. This is very easy. Okay, so now we have learned how to create the template, but now once you submit and create this template, what is going to happen is Meta is going to take some time to approve your template. Once your template is approved, then what you have to do, you have to go on this select WhatsApp template message button and simply choose that approved template right over here. Now it is saying body field 1. What is this? So like I told you in the starting of this video that we are just going to mention the name of the lead or the customer in this message. For that, we have to keep this body field 1, which is a dynamic value. I've added a variable right over here, which is 1 in curly brackets. Now I'm just going to mention a dynamic value right over here. So in order to mention name as the dynamic value, I'm just going to put a $sign, then type name, and automatically this $name will be replaced with the name of my lead or the customer every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. I'll just let you know how further. Just enter this and click on this done. Now what you have to do is I'm just going to take you towards the contact custom fields. So from the left hand of the side, go on the settings and then contact custom fields. Once you're on this contact custom fields, if you have a new account, you're going to see these 4 contact custom fields. These are the ones which makes your values dynamic. You just have to copy the field name and paste it right over here. You're going to see that this will be the same which is $name. Okay, and apart from that, I'll just let you know that over here I use name only. So if you also want to use name, you can just mention $name. But apart from name, if you want to make something else as a variable, what you can do is you can simply create a new contact custom field right over here, enter that in the template, and you can simply select the WhatsApp template. Then over here you're going to see multiple body fields. So you just have to type your body field like this and click on this done, and your WhatsApp template will be ready. If you want to learn more about this templates and contact custom fields in detail, the video tutorial is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I just gave you a brief about this. Okay, now let's move on further. After setting up the message, we just have this username and the mobile number. So what is this? So before sending this WhatsApp broadcast to multiple users at once, you can test it. What you can do is you can simply enter your username and the name and then the mobile number, and then you can click on this send test message. Once you're going to do this, what is going to happen is it is going to say test broadcast sent. So before sending it to thousands or hundreds of customers or leads, you can send it towards you once and check that if it is running fine or not. And yes, it is running perfectly fine, and I can send it to all the customers and leads. Okay, so for that we have 2 options: schedule broadcast for later or send instantly. So if you wish to schedule this for later, you can go on this yes schedule for later, go on this calendar button and simply schedule this broadcast for later. If you want to send this instantly, you can go on this no send instantly and then add broadcast button and send this instantly. I'm just going to schedule it for later, so I'm just going to go on this yes schedule for later, and let's just schedule for 30th of June 1 p.m. right over here. Click on this add broadcast button, and yes, this broadcast is scheduled for 30th of June 1 p.m. Now once this broadcast is sent, I can move on further and check the stats of this broadcast. So as you can see, this is the broadcast which was sent once, so I can view the stats of this broadcast: how many were sent, how many were delivered, how many were read, how many were pending, ignored and failed right over here. If some broadcasts are failed, I can just go on this button, check the valid field, and then the invalid field, and for the valid or the invalid field I can resend it to them once again to check that if they are getting sent once again or not. Like this, we have successfully learned how to send WhatsApp broadcast like a pro. So you don't have to send same message to all the leads and customers. You can send personalized messages with the buttons, quick replies, and also your website URLs. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any question, drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.